Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this is a product here that I actually was, believe it or not, I was looking on Instagram, just scanning through my feed, and Tech Ran, or Trenton Marshall, he tweeted something about this and said this was really cool. So I checked it out and I was like, you know what? This is going to be helpful for me because my current setup, I have to reach behind my Mac Mini to get stuff in and out, even though I have adapters and stuff. This is sweet. So I figured, I said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and buy this. What do I have to lose? I have a link in the description where you can actually get a discount on it. This is 79 bucks. And I got mine for 10% off, so you can use the link in the description and just share the link if you don't want to purchase right away. But check it out, hit the link in the description, and if you use my code, you'll get $10 off, I believe, or something. You get it for a lower price than me, I believe, or something like that. But this is an aluminum stand and hub for the Mac Mini. This is sweet, and when I saw this, I thought, wow, he just saved me a lot. Now, the current hub that I have, it's about 30 to 70 bucks or something like that, and it's the kind with an extended wire. It's not good. It's not a good look. This, on the other hand, unique. It's a perfect fit. It should be just right, and I'm really excited to get into this box here. But I wanted to show you the outside of the box first. So obviously it's designed to save you space and still have access to more ports. So I still have all the access to the ports on the back, but I got more ports on the front, and it's easy. This is about convenience. That's what this is about. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack the box open now. I've been waiting for this. I ordered this the same day that he sent that tweet out, probably a little over a week ago, but the shipment went out, but the post office kind of messed around and did something. They kind of lost it in the mail or something, I don't know, but it just got here and I'm excited. So just checking out their packaging. This is really good. They've got good packaging. So I guess we tear it here. Let's see here. Yeah, I guess we can just rip it open. Oh, here we go. Here we go, John. Here we go. Looks like it's, oh yeah, it's just some kind of special packaging they have here. It's kind of lifts up here. I'm going full throttle tearing this thing open here. And it opens up. Wow, they have this thing packaged really well. All right, now, God, not the best packaging, but at least it's secure. So here is the packaging. Now, ultimately, what you have here is just one USB coming up, plugging into the back of your Mac, and you've got fans and vents here to get the same ventilation. You can actually see through there. Boom, right there. See, you can see straight through. So it'll be lifted off the ground, and there's air coming through to vent it out, just like it's sitting on my desk now. You get the instruction manuals and everything like that. But ultimately, folks, this is a hub, a Type-C hub for your Mac Mini. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed, and then I'll the rest of this video is it's not gonna be the best angle, but I want to show you. I don't want to disassemble my entire desk just to show you what this is, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it installed. And it just, one USB plugs into the back of one of the spots, and you get all your plugs and stuff. So let's get this going real quick here. Alright, so this is probably the best that I could possibly give you. This is probably the best view here. So I'm going to pull forward here. As you can see here, I set up my little thing here. I've got my, let me eject this card here so it doesn't freak out. Alright, so eject it so I can pull this one out. And I can still use this if I wanted to, but this is pretty much a setup that I have that I wasn't too fond of, you know, with all these things coming out of the back like this for the extra ports, because when I use a card, I'm taking the camera out, in and out of my card and everything, and I'm having to move it a lot. So this is how this is gonna look now. This is gonna be so nice. So they'll just use one port here, and it goes in like that. And so now I have just a more clean look, and I get ports on the front here. Let me see if I can get in closer here. So I have ports now along the front, and it's a nice clean match. The color is it's pretty much spot on. But I still got vents coming through right here on the bottom, and you can see how this looks from the bottom here. You can see how that looks. So now my desk will sit back here nice and tucked away. And then these other ports right here, like that I have my microphone, I can still plug this in and just have it hang down in the back now, and I won't have to, because this just goes to my external microphone. So if I wanted to have this plugged in back here, now I can have it out of the way. You see? And so, boom, there we go. Now that looks a lot cleaner. And then I'm going to go ahead and plug in something I can go ahead and plug this back up in the back, and I don't need to see it because I don't really need to get to this. But if I wanted to plug this in, let's just plug it in on the front real quick here. You can see it's blinking blue, and it actually reappeared on the desktop here. So I'm going to pan a little bit, don't freak out. You can see it reappeared, my Samsung cable there. So that is something that I was really excited about. And again, TechRant, shout out to TechRant for even showing me this product on Twitter. It was pretty cool. I'm not going to leave this like this, obviously. Let me go ahead and eject this, because I'm going to let this just go. I'm going to hang this in the back, and I'll set that up later. But I'm going to have this pretty much stored away in the back, because you can see I had my Velcro already ready to go. It was attached to the thing, and so that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to put this in the back like I had it before, somewhere, hide it away. But this is my nice little clean setup, and these ports work. I'll test them out even more. This video will be edited, and now I could just go to the front of my MacBook instead of going to the back. This is strictly about convenience, folks. And if you have a Mac Mini, I highly recommend that you grab this, man. Like, this is no sales pitch. I went on and bought this myself. I saw it on the whim, and I thought, man, I'm going to get this thing because I really like the way that looks. Nice, clean look. And there it is, man. Just a quick unboxing and setup and review of this Satechi tech. Let me see what the official name here is. It's the Type-C aluminum stand and hub for the Mac Mini, and it's by Satechi. I'll have a link in the description. Remember, hit that link, get you 10 bucks off. I think this is totally worth it if you're a Mac Mini owner. Seriously. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take care.